This is the kind of desktop that immediately feels like it's built for serious performance. The Alienware Aurora ACT1250 doesn't try to be subtle about what it offers. From the moment it powers on, everything about it points to speed, power, and long-term capability. The exterior design keeps that familiar Alienware DNA but sharpens it with a cleaner finish and more refined lighting. The RGB elements are fully adjustable and add personality without overwhelming the look. More importantly, the chassis is clearly designed with airflow in mind. Large intake areas and optimized fan placement allow the system to maintain stable temperatures, even when running demanding applications for long periods. At the core of the system is the Intel Ultra 7265F processor paired with the GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card. This combination is built for modern performance needs. Gaming feels incredibly smooth, with high frame rates and consistent responsiveness across a wide range of titles. Whether it's competitive shooters or visually intensive games, the experience remains fluid and immersive. Beyond gaming, this machine excels in productivity and creative workloads. With 64 GB of DDR5 memory, multitasking becomes seamless. Running editing software, streaming tools, and multiple applications at once doesn't slow things down. Everything remains responsive, making it ideal for users who demand efficiency and speed in their daily workflow. Storage is another standout feature. The 8TB PCIe SSD delivers both massive capacity and impressive speed. System boot times are nearly instant, and large files open without delay. This setup allows for extensive game libraries, large media collections, and heavy project files without worrying about running out of space anytime soon. Connectivity is fully future-ready. Wi-Fi 7 support ensures faster wireless speeds and improved stability, while Bluetooth 5.4 offers reliable connections for accessories. For those who prefer a direct connection, the RJ45 port provides low-latency networking, which is especially important for online gaming and high-speed data transfers. The system's 500W power supply is well-balanced with its components, providing efficient energy usage while maintaining strong performance. It's a reminder that modern hardware can deliver high output without unnecessary power consumption. In everyday use, everything feels quick and effortless. Applications launch instantly, switching between tasks is smooth, and even intensive workloads like video editing or 3D rendering are handled with ease. The overall experience is consistent, fast, and reliable. Thermal management is handled effectively. The cooling system keeps internal temperatures under control, even during extended sessions. Fan noise is present under load, but it remains at a level that doesn't become distracting, maintaining a comfortable balance between cooling performance and acoustics. This desktop is clearly designed for users who want a powerful, future-ready system that can handle gaming, content creation, and demanding tasks without compromise. It delivers a premium experience that focuses on performance, stability, and long-term usability. If you're interested in upgrading to a high-end setup like this, check the link in the description for more details.